Welcome back, gamers. Today, we have an exciting new gaming laptop to unveil, the MSI Cyborg 15.6-inch Gaming Laptop 2023 Newest. Packed with cutting-edge features and the latest technology, this powerhouse is ready to take your gaming experience to a whole new level. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of the MSI Cyborg. Design. Let's begin with the design. The MSI Cyborg boasts a sleek and futuristic aesthetic that will surely turn heads. Its slim profile and premium build quality make it a visually stunning device, perfect for gamers who value both style and substance. Display. Now, let's talk about the display. The MSI Cyborg comes equipped with a vibrant 15.6-inch Full HD display, providing crisp visuals and immersive gaming experiences. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in intense multiplayer battles, the display's sharpness and clarity will draw you deeper into the gaming realm. Processor. Under the hood, the MSI Cyborg houses a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13620H processor. This beast of a processor ensures lightning-fast performance, allowing you to tackle demanding games and multitasking with ease. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless gameplay. Memory. To complement the powerful processor, the MSI Cyborg is equipped with a staggering 64GB of DDR5 RAM. This colossal memory capacity ensures smooth gameplay and seamless transitions between applications, making multitasking a breeze. Storage. Running out of storage space will be a thing of the past with the MSI Cyborg's massive 1TB SSD. This lightning-fast storage solution not only provides ample space for your game library but also reduces load times, allowing you to jump right into the action without delay. Graphics. Gamers, rejoice! The MSI Cyborg comes armed with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics card. Powered by cutting-edge technology, this GPU delivers breathtaking visuals and real-time ray tracing, taking your gaming visuals to new heights of realism. Keyboard. A gaming laptop is incomplete without a stellar keyboard. The MSI Cyborg features a backlit keyboard, allowing you to game in any lighting environment. With its responsive keys and customizable lighting effects, you'll have full control and precision during your gaming sessions. Trackpad. Additionally, the MSI Cyborg's trackpad provides smooth and precise navigation. It supports multi-touch gestures, allowing you to effortlessly zoom, scroll, and navigate through your favorite games and applications. Connectivity. Connectivity is key in the gaming world, and the MSI Cyborg delivers. With Wi-Fi 6 support, you'll experience ultra-fast and stable wireless connections, reducing lag and ensuring a seamless online gaming experience. It also comes equipped with a range of ports, including USB, HDMI, and Ethernet, allowing you to connect your peripherals and external displays with ease. Speaker. Immerse yourself in a world of powerful sound with the MSI Cyborg's high-quality speakers. With their impressive audio output, you'll hear every explosion, every footstep, and every whisper, heightening your gaming experience to new levels of intensity. Battery. Gaming on the go? No problem. The MSI Cyborg is equipped with a long-lasting battery that keeps you gaming for hours on end. Say goodbye to interruptions and enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions wherever you are. Cooling. The MSI Cyborg understands the importance of keeping cool during intense gaming sessions. With its advanced cooling system, consisting of multiple heat pipes and fans, you can push your laptop to its limits without worrying about overheating. Webcam. In this era of virtual meetings and streaming, having a reliable webcam is crucial. The MSI Cyborg comes equipped with a high-definition webcam, ensuring crystal-clear video quality for your online interactions and content creation needs. So, you'll look sharp and professional, even in the digital realm. Operating system. Now, let's talk about the operating system. The MSI Cyborg runs on the latest Windows 11 Home Edition. With its intuitive interface and optimized gaming features, you'll have a seamless and user-friendly experience that enhances your gaming performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, the MSI Cyborg 15.6-inch Gaming Laptop 2023 Newest is a true powerhouse designed for gamers who demand the best. From its sleek design and immersive display to its lightning-fast processor and colossal memory, this laptop is built to exceed your expectations. With top-of-the-line graphics, a responsive keyboard, and a host of connectivity options, it caters to all your gaming needs. The long-lasting battery, advanced cooling, and high-definition webcam further enhance its appeal, making it a complete package. And there you have it, folks. The MSI Cyborg 15.6-inch Gaming Laptop 2023 Newest, a true gaming powerhouse with all the features you need for an exceptional gaming experience. If you're ready to level up your gaming setup, be sure to check the description below for the Amazon link to purchase this incredible laptop. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy gaming!